Life can be so busy. We all experience stress and anxiety. It's normal to feel overwhelmed sometimes. But there are tools to help you find peace. Yoga is an ancient practice that can help you find calm. It combines physical postures with mindful breathing. Yoga is for everyone, no matter your age or fitness level. Taking just 10 minutes for yourself can make a big difference. You can create a sense of balance in your body and mind. Let's begin your journey to a calmer, more relaxed you. Before we begin our physical practice, let's focus on our breath. Breathing is at the heart of yoga. It connects our body and mind. Find a comfortable seat. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest. As you inhale, imagine drawing in peace and calmness. As you exhale, let go of any tension or stress. Keep your breath slow and steady throughout the practice. Let's start with Child's Pose, or Balasana. This pose is a safe and comforting shape. It helps to quiet the mind and release tension. Kneel on your mat with your knees wider than hip-width apart. Bring your big toes together and sit back on your heels, or use a blanket for support. Fold forward, resting your forehead on the mat. Extend your arms forward, palms facing down. Feel the gentle stretch in your back and shoulders. Breathe deeply and surrender to the pose. Breathe. Now come onto your hands and knees in tabletop pose. We'll move through cat-cow pose, a gentle flow to awaken the spine. As you inhale, arch your back like a cow. Lift your chest and tailbone towards the ceiling. Relax your shoulders away from your ears. Gaze gently upwards. As you exhale, round your spine like a cat. Tuck your chin to your chest and draw your belly button towards your spine. Feel the stretch along your back. Continue flowing between these two poses for several breaths. Move with your breath, finding fluidity and ease. Section 5. Downward Facing Dog, also known as Adho Mukha Svanasana. This pose is a staple in many yoga practices and is known for its ability to both strengthen and stretch the body. From tabletop pose, go ahead and tuck your toes under, then lift your hips up and back. This transition is key to finding the correct alignment in the pose. Come into Downward Facing Dog, which is an energizing inversion. This pose not only invigorates the body, but also calms the mind. Press your hands firmly into the mat, spreading your fingers wide. This helps to distribute your weight evenly and provides a solid foundation. Straighten your arms and legs as much as feels comfortable. It's important to listen to your body and not push beyond your limits. Your body should form an inverted V shape. This alignment helps to maximize the benefits of the pose. Now, pedal out your feet, bending one knee at a time. This movement helps to warm up the muscles and increase flexibility. Feel a stretch in your hamstrings and calves. This stretch is beneficial for releasing tension and improving circulation. Relax your head and neck, gazing towards your feet. This helps to release any tension in the upper body and encourages a sense of calm. Hold this pose for several breaths, feeling the tension melt away from your shoulders and back. With each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into the pose, finding both strength and relaxation. Section 6. Seated forward bend. Paschimottanasana. A surrender to stillness. Come to a seated position on your mat with your legs extended forward. This is seated forward bend, a pose that calms the nervous system. Inhale deeply and lengthen your spine. As you exhale, gently fold forward from your hips, keeping your back straight. Reach for your toes or shins, depending on your flexibility. Relax your head and neck, letting go of any tension. Feel the stretch along the back of your legs and spine. Breathe deeply and surrender to the pose. Section 7. Legs up the wall pose. Viparita Karani. Gentle inversion for relaxation. Finally, let's move into legs up the wall pose, a restorative inversion that calms the mind and body. This pose is perfect for unwinding after a long day or as a gentle way to start your morning. Sit with your side body close to a wall. Make sure you are comfortable and have enough space to move freely. Lie back and swing your legs up the wall, resting your hips close to the wall. Adjust your position until you feel supported and at ease. Relax your arms by your sides, palms facing up. Allow your shoulders to melt into the floor, releasing any tension. Close your eyes and feel the gentle stretch in your legs. Notice how the inversion helps to lengthen your spine and relax your lower back. This pose helps to improve circulation and reduce swelling in the legs and feet. It can be especially beneficial for those who spend a lot of time on their feet. Stay in this pose for several minutes, enjoying the feeling of deep relaxation. Let your body sink deeper into the pose with each breath. Focus on your breath and let go of any remaining stress. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly, allowing your mind to become calm and centered. Feel the tranquility wash over you as you embrace this moment of peace. Section 8. The path to continued calm, making yoga a part of your life. Yoga is not just a practice. It's a lifestyle that can bring profound changes to your daily routine. Congratulations! You've completed a 10-minute yoga practice for stress and anxiety relief. This is a significant step towards a more balanced and peaceful life. Remember, even small amounts of yoga can make a big difference in your overall well-being. Just a few minutes each day can help you feel more centered and calm. Try to incorporate this practice into your daily routine. Consistency is key to reaping the full benefits of yoga. You can do it in the morning to start your day with calmness, setting a positive tone for the hours ahead, or in the evening to unwind after a long day. This can help you release the stress and tension accumulated throughout the day. Listen to your body and honor its limitations. It's important to practice with mindfulness and respect for your own physical boundaries. Yoga is a journey, not a destination. Each practice is a step along this path, bringing you closer to inner peace and self-awareness. Be patient with yourself and enjoy the process. Embrace each moment on the mat as an opportunity to grow and connect with yourself. Section 9. Join the journey. Subscribe for more yoga and wellness. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this practice and feel more relaxed and at ease. If you'd like to explore more yoga and wellness practices, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every week to support your journey towards a healthier, happier you. Remember, you are capable of finding peace and calm within. Keep practicing, and you'll discover the incredible power of yoga to transform your life. Namaste.